My tb35 EC string trimmer won't start. I only used it twice last summer and I haven't been able to start it manually ever. I bought one of your handheld starters and it won't start it either. What do I do?
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, the fuel is clean and full. As far as I know, there is not shut-off valve on this model.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't know what it would be. Just tell me how to get this thing started.
Hi, I'm Wayne. I will be assisting you with this issue today. First off, we are not the company Troy built. JA is a question and answer site mechanics helping customers. Do you still have the old gas/oil mix from last year? Wayne.
No.
Hi, thank you for the response. Remove the spark plug, pour a cap full of gas in the hole. It should start and run 1 to 2 seconds. Let me know, Wayne.
I ran out of time and had to put it off till later. It may be Friday before I get back to it.
Morning, that is fine. Keep me in mind. What is going on, Wayne?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.